हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम फिर से गोकर्णा का एक राउंड मार रहे हैं, दिखा रहे हैं आपको किधर किधर प्लेसेस हैं जो जो हम लोग जा सकते हैं। अभी हम लोग आए हैं मिर्जन फोर्ट में, विच इज़ अराउंड 20 to 22 किलोमीटर्स अवे फ्रॉम द गोकर्णा मार्केट। ये थोड़ा सा आउटस्कर्ट आना, गोकर्णा से बाहर आके इस फोर्ट में आना पड़ता है। ये फोर्ट प्रॉब्ली वॉज बिल्ट अराउंड 16th century एंड उसके बाद में फिर रेनोवेट भी हुआ था। And if you look at this fort from a distance, it looks really amazing, and it's worth spending or traveling that 22 kilometer from the Gokarna to see this place. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है to look around. It is just the history that the government of Karnataka has tried to preserve. But if you really look at it, it has not been preserved the way it should have been, keeping in mind that this has been designated as archaeological site of India by ASI. But still, the conditions that I can describe is kind of ruined based on the maintenance that it has at the moment. There you must have seen that's where they kind of you know put the flags on in this particular sections on 15th August and any other 26th January. And this is the well. It's pretty big and deep well. They've nicely covered so that nobody walks around or nobody fall into it. And the fort is pretty huge, yeah. It's pretty huge and completely green. And there are a couple of trees, and the people do kind of enjoy around. Like we Indians, sometimes we do make a mess out of it, and we just have to be careful when we visit all of these or any of these places, not to destroy but at least try to maintain it as much as we can. Post that, we went to the Gokarna market. The market seems pretty dull. It's only because we went just after the lockdown restrictions were lifted, but there were only few shops open. We tried to visit them and see through what is available. This was a musical instrument, and then did some shopping around from the shops which were open, but it was pretty much dull. And this particular shop that I found attractive was there was like couple of handmade designs and no artificial colors. That's what I was saying. It was bio color, something that it will not go off. I bought couple of t-shirts and other items from this one, and later this guy, I tried to take his interview, kind of bring it to you guys also.
दुकान का नाम
Listen to it.
राघव कलेक्शन कहाँ पर है ये?
in Gokarna, sir, on the main beach road,
हाँ,
opposite of the Mahabaleshwar temple.
हाँ। डिज़ाइन बड़ा मस्त लग रहा है। ये डिज़ाइन कहाँ से है, किसका है?
Yeah, these are my own designs. Yeah,
कितने तरह के डिज़ाइन है इसमें?
more than 40 designs is there.
मोर देन 40 डिज़ाइन।
All t-shirts are 100% organic cotton, very good quality. After wash, print doesn't go, doesn't go color out, not any problems.
Yeah.
See this, Kundalini is there. Some people like music, Jimi Hendrix is there.
ओके।
Some people like funny, some people like karma वगैरह. See, there is karma.
हाँ।
The Shiva place, no, this one.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
many kind of Shiva, like Trishul Shiva, Smoking Shiva.
तो ऑनलाइन नहीं है ना इसका कुछ भी?
Online nahi. If you
Yeah.
like, we can courier to your home directly.
इफ यू लाइक
It's made by hand.
Made
Hand
by
cut
hand.
shirts. Available lot of other colors. Or called harem trouser, hippie trouser. So Gokarna है तो यहाँ का थोड़ा feel.
यहाँ का जो
Yeah,
हाँ
यहाँ का
लोकल
feel
फील
आता
करने
है.
में
This is here.
मैन वुमेन्स एंड किड्स ऑल
Yeah, unisex.
यूनिसेक्स शोरूम है, स्टोर
The
है।
handmade rice paper diaries is here. ये राइस से बनता है पेपर.
ओह, राइस से बनता है। डायरी है ये।
डायरी है, हाथ से बनता है. See, small beautiful papers. Handmade prints.
1450 तो
Good madam.
And post that, I went to this Mahabaleshwar temple. There is lots of saying about this Shiva temple, and adjacent to that we have the Gokarna main beach, and that's where most of the people visit, and it's easy to go to, because otherwise the Gokarna beaches are pretty tough to visit. But this one is easy, just adjacent to the temple and the market. And then later we went to the Kodle beach. That's where we had our lunch also, and it is one of the best beach that I like the most in entire Gokarna. You have Om Beach, you have Paradise Beach, Half Moon Beach, Kudle Beach, and then this Gokarna main beach, and this one, the one that we are sitting at, and this is the most amazing beach that I like the most. You have some restaurants here. We enjoyed the mixed cuisine that was available out there, and the food that was provided, it was amazing. And I just put this snip around here so that you guys don't get bored while watching that I'm eating and this just putting the eating this lunch picture. And then same thing. It was delicious to eat the cuisine which was available. I mean, it multi cuisines, not the local one for sure. And just to talk about the places in Gokarna, like I said, you plan it around for 3 days. That's the minimum. You'll get to visit all the beach as well as the temple, Ganesha temple and Mahabaleshwar temple. Mahabaleshwar temple is one of the famous temple that is there in the Gokarna. It's known for as Dakshin Kashi in Gokarna, similar to what we have in Varanasi. And then some fun stuff that we were trying in Kudle beach itself. We had a great time in Gokarna. We were hoping that we could spend some more time, but unfortunately we just have to wrap up our shot. And it was just before we left the Kudli beach, it was like heavy wind and the rainfall started. Thank you everyone for watching and supporting us. Have a wonderful time. Cheers. Bye.